This is the main street of Tulbagh. We're taking a walk on this beautiful Friday morning. See what it looks like in the main street of Tulbagh. Just an update on the earthquake that happened here. It was in May of 1969. Earthquake happened here and surprised everybody. This place isn't prone for that, but it happened and took many people by surprise. Many lost their family members and it had to be rebuilt, many of the structures here. Here's a tin roof house. Business today. This here is still from years ago, what they call the water coming from the municipal area, and it flows through the town, and people used to water their gardens with this, what they call leewater. So today there's no water here, only at certain times I think, and certain days that the water would come through the town and people could use it. Here's another table. It's a bit windy here. Wind has just come up now. It was lovely. The wind has just come up, so we take it as it comes. There's another beautiful house, number 49. Fabulous home cooked meals. They closed today, probably opening later. Beautiful flowers here. As I said, spring is around the corner, so they're starting to bloom. Here's another Victorian home. Hello. Hello. Here's Harold's Pub and Grub. Popular eating place, I believe. Tulbagh Super 8. And here's an African shop supermarket. And a butchery. That's the main road there. Here we go. This is Padagang restaurant where we came from. Church. This is an old house here, Victoria, Cape Dutch style, 1805, the oude bakkerij. And here we come to the Travelers Lodge, Cape Dutch quarters, If you need a place to sleep, need accommodation, you contact Cape Dutch Quarters. Great people here, good service. You can speak to Charmaine or Jason. Cape Dutch Quarters. That is the church. Looks like there's something on there today. Lights on. Good morning, good in you. Yes. Okay. Yes. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. No, here's a donation for you. Thank you. Okay. Cool. Nice. You must do well there. Thank you. E2. Let's go and check out the Tulbagh Heritage Hotel. That's the main road. Another Dutch manor, 1813. Let's cross over to the beautiful hotel here. Mora. Sitting here for breakfast outside. Welcome, we are open. Olive Terrace Bistro. 4-star hotel. Hello. Hi, how are you? Yeah, good, yeah. Okay, so this is the bar here in the hotel. Olive Terrace Bistro. This here is the restaurant. Stairs, beautiful stairs going up to the balcony. Wow. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Okay. Month of September. You can do facials. Here's the coffee shop. Ceramics, pancakes, croissants, coffee. Okay. Hello sir, how are you? Is the school finished?
Yeah, long time.
Long time.
Everyone is
Oh,
here,
I see. Okay.
yeah, what's your smile?
That's it. Good.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you. Ackermans is a department store, clothing. Here's some beautiful houses here. That's it there. Taxi rank. Taxis off in front. Beautiful Dutch gable there. Thatch roof. Well kept. It's a restaurant, Daphne's restaurant. And here's Church Street Kitchen Gardens. The Dream of Tulbagh initiative. Respectful visitors welcome. So you can go in here and pick some of your favorite vegetables. This garden was made possible by the generous financial contributions and valuable donations in kind from the following corporate supporters. Awesome idea. Here's warm pancakes and coffee. Hello. How are you? Yes, good. Do you have rooibos tea? See you later. Cypress trees. Looks like Tulbagh is popular with these huge, majestic trees here. This here is the Cape East Asia Company, established 1815 gallery. Here they're busy renovating and making it better. Another Cape Dutch. This is called the Yellowwood and it's for sale. Look at the beautiful roses. Self-catering suits. So folks, as you can see, this is a real historical avenue I'm walking down. It's called Church Street and there's Lots of history here. The houses you can see, all Cape Dutch style architecture with their beautiful gables and these beautiful flowers, and also the thatched roof that they have. There's a prime example. Thatched roof. This is the Tulbagh Toll House, 1807. It's now a boutique heritage hotel. Look at the clouds there, sun behind the clouds. Beautiful with that silver lining. And the birds nesting in the tree here. Wonderful. And the beautiful flowers there. I wish you could smell the fragrance of it. Of that. Let's continue. Here's another Victorian style home, also part of the historical walk. And here's the Cape Dutch quarters, Tulbagh Country Guest House. Well folks, that's all for now for Tulbagh, and I hope you do subscribe, leave a comment down below, tell us what you think or what you want to see. Until next time, ciao.